Hello, I am Toshio Iwata, director of digitalfilter.com, and today I use a magnet sensor on this board, IKS4A1, to see the distance to some objects like this sort of magnet bar. So because of magnet sensing, it's very easy to see it's very close to it, it's far from it. So the sensor works as a distance detector.
Watch upper right. It's the x value. It's about minus 200. And do like this, the value is about minus 1300. The value has come back to minus 200. Now the value is plus 900. The x-axis of the sensor goes like this. And the axis is facing to south. So the magnetic force by the Earth comes like this. If the N is located like this, the force of the magnet bar comes like this. In this case, the unified force is enlarged like this. As a result, the x value becomes minus 1300. And is located, the x value has come back to minus 200. This time I locate the S of the magnet bar, then the direction changes. The force of the magnet bar is bigger than the Earth. The unified force has become opposite way, and it's plus 900. These XYZ columns are the value from the SD card. When the shutter is closed, X has bigger value. It's about 900 or over. And the shutter is opened, X value has smaller values, like minus 200 or lower. And this is a falling edge. It's number 130. And it's over here, this row. So over here, the value is 900 or more, and it goes to minus 200 or less. And here's the time, so we can see when the shutter is opened. X values, and here is Y values, and this graph is XY plot. Horizontal axis is X, and vertical one is Y. And around here, it's very close to the 0 point, and that means there's no magnet bar. The x value is minus 210. And here, it's far from 0 point. That means there is a magnet bar closely. The x is plus 987. So the distance from 0 point on xy plot can decide if there is a magnet bar closely, regardless of which direction the sensor is facing, and regardless of which pole N or S of the magnet bar is used. The distance between the sensor and the magnet bar is about 10 centimeters, and it's good enough to have it work as a distance detector. About the magnet, it's not so strong. Relatively, it's a weak and cheap one, like this movie.